Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited. It is our monthly collab hosted by Food and Makeup Skin. February's theme is going to be a last minute Valentine's Day look. Since I've already done a couple Valentine's Day looks, I was like, what am I going to do to make this one stick out a little bit more? I grabbed out a bunch of pink products like my scrunchie, my new cherry coat crew neck, and some other pink makeup items to do a monochromatic pink look. Grab a snack or your products, let's create a Valentine's Day look. I will leave my collabs playlist link to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this monochromatic pink look. I would love to know, what are your Valentine's Day plans? What did you get your Valentine? What is your go-to Valentine's Day look? Are any of the products that I used in this video on your list to use? I used some of my favorites by Rare Beauty, and then I was also testing out the Cloud Spun palette by ColourPop. I am obsessed with the eyes. It was such a beautiful and fun palette to play with, and Rare Beauty doesn't disappoint when it comes to their cream blush. And don't forget to check out everyone else's videos. Their videos will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you know, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.